Hello everyone, let's collect and count Easter eggs. Are you ready? Let's go! Now we have number 1 next to our basket. So how many eggs do we need to collect? Well done, 1 egg. 1 egg. Well done, 1 Easter egg. Great job, well done. Number 4. So how many Easter eggs do we need to collect? Well done, 4 Easter eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Easter eggs. Great work, well done. Number 3. Let's collect 3 Easter eggs. 1, 2, 3. 3 Easter eggs. Fantastic. Great job. Well done. Number 7. So let's collect 7 Easter eggs. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. 7 Easter eggs. Fantastic. Great job. Number 2. Now let's collect 2 Easter eggs. 1, 2. 2 Easter eggs. Fantastic. Well done. Number 8. How many eggs do we need to collect? Well done. 8 Easter eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. 8 Easter eggs. Fantastic. Great job. Well done. Now we have number 5. Let's collect 5 Easter eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. We collected 5 Easter eggs. Fantastic job. Well done. Number 9. So how many eggs do we need to collect? Well done. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. 9 Easter eggs. Fantastic job. Well done. Number 6. So let's collect 6 Easter eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Easter eggs. Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Number 10. So let's collect 10 Easter eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Easter eggs. Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done, everyone. Hello parents. If you like this video and would like to use these resources, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many early years teaching resources created by an early years experienced teacher. That is me. These resources can be used in the classroom or at home to support children's early reading and math skills. These sheets can be downloaded instantly and use them in class, ready to be used in the classroom. I've used this in my classroom. The children absolutely loves it and I get great result. And I hope it does the same for you. I will leave the link below in description. I hope you like it and thank you for your support. Bye.